Welcome back, guys. This is Henry1502 Inc. I'm back. So we are continuing our Python Codecademy Python syntax track, and right now we are going to be working with math operators. So let's dive right in. And Codecademy will pretty much have something like this: arithmetic operators. Hopefully I'm spelling it right. So this is basically the adding portion of it. They just wanted to name it something fancy, so it really doesn't matter. So let's say addition equals 9 plus 1. What happens when we run it? Press F5, or you could just go down here, run module. I'm choosing F5. Nothing shows up only because I forgot to print it. Print addition. Press F5 again. Any second now. There it is. Addition equals 10. So basically this is what we're setting the variable to. The variable is 9 plus 1. So addition will equal 10 if you try to use it. Moving on, let's go to number 2, subtraction. As a matter of fact, I have a simpler way to do this. So I just reorganized it so it could fit in the frame. So next we're working with addition, and let's go with, next we're working with subtraction actually. Subtraction equals 5. Subtraction equals 5 minus 4. Now if you went to school, you should know that 5 minus 4 equals 1. And once again, I forgot to print it. Make sure to print. So it runs this, the top part, the addition part, and then it runs the subtraction part. Next we're moving on to multiplication, and multiplication is pretty simple. Multiply equals 5 times, let's say 5. So I don't know if you guys were able to see it, so I'm just going to run it again. And once again, I keep forgetting to print the variable. Multiply. So here we go. 5 times 5, 21. And I'm not even going to say anything for division because this is pretty self-explanatory. Well, I will say something because something is coming up that you guys need to know about. Pizza equals 10 divided by 3. Okay, so over here, pizza is pretty much, let me just show you guys. Division, the variable is 20 divided by 5, which should be translated into 4, and pizza, 10 slices divided by 3 people, it should be somewhere around 3.9, 3.3 33333 something something something, etc., etc. But and the reason that I'm showing you guys this is because, well, that's weird. You can't divide 3 into. Anyway, I'll show you guys why. Oh, maybe it's because I don't have a float. There it is. This is a float. I was using an integer, so that's probably why it gave me 3. You guys will see later on in the tutorials why I wanted to show you guys that, but for now, just keep watching. Let me just separate these two. The next one is exponential. Now exponential just means exponents. So let's say house is equal to 9 and we wanted to square it. Now there are many different ways to square 9, but here's just one way that we could do we could use exponents. I'm turning it into something much easier because some people might not know what 9 squared equals. 4 squared 4, what do we get? I'm just a wreck today. 4 squared 4, 256. You can get your T81 calculator or T83 calculator if you don't believe me, or if you don't believe Python, but that is what 4 squared 4 is. It's basically like saying 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That's pretty much what it is. It's basically the same as this, but it saves you some writing. I know not a lot, but this is what programming is. It's all about being lazy and finding a shortcut to doing things. And next we're working with modulo. The module is this weird thing that if you type in a number, it just rounds it off. So don't remember how I said 10 divided by 3 is this 3.33333. Well, the module would just put it as 3. If you don't believe me, let me just show you. Price equals 10. Look at there. Now some of you might be asking what's different from the module and division. If you're using an int, there really isn't anything different. It's pretty much the same thing if you're using like an int, but if you're using a float, and a float is basically you just put a 0.0 at the end, then they become two different things. So it just rounds it off. It's something you'll use, and my next tutorial will actually incorporate MIT's practice course. They have an online video of their computer science class, and they use modulo. So just look in the description and follow the link to my next video, and I'll see you guys there. This is Henry1502 Inc. Like, add, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.